Rugby Club with George. Don't put that in. Don't put that in. Yeah, this is how it looks like down there. I don't want to come there. So I love this place because this is a big space for the kids to run around. Don't play, George. I'm taking video. This is Rugby Club. So this is inside the Rugby Club. So I used to do the school here. I love to play there. And that is the tables. The Rugby Club. So during winter, this is. Yeah, you can go there. Winter time it's good to stay here. It's quite cooler. We're in that grass area.
I think where's
Yeah, I'm here. That's behind me is the restaurant where we're in before, and I went out. I just to go around and see what's in here. So that's behind me. They're just running around now. I'll show you the full view of this place. So this is in the middle of the grass line. It's like the play area, the rugby play area, and this the restaurant. So during winter, this is nice place to just hang out. It's a nice place. I'm going back now. Going back to the what's this? Restaurant. So this is my favorite place in Al Ain. Because yeah, it's quite different from outside. Like you will not see the sun. I love the grasses. If there is an event, this is so busy place. Now there's no event, that's why it's like this.
Hi. How old are you? How old are you? Wow.
This is the bar. I'm going to our table. These are the players. This is the menu. And to open serve food. I'll just show what this is inside. Like that. Like this. Like that. Like that. Served. It's It's there.